Residence Inn was a great place to stay. It's about a mile and a half from the Disney cruise port, maybe a mile from Royal Caribbean. They did have shuttles. It was $12 each way per person to go to the ports. They would drop you off and pick you up. The staff here was super friendly, and they even had this little guy to greet you when you came in. I say he was out of this world. They had a little snack shop here that you could get just the basics, some pop, some stuff for your microwave. Nice little stop if you're a little hungry. I think I stopped there to get some pop for Brooklyn and Tiny and me. They had a free breakfast in the morning. It was your basic little breakfast, oatmeal, some dry cereal. They had some toast and stuff. You can make your own waffle. Good eggs. I would pass on the sausage, but it was a good variety. They changed one thing up every day. The pool here was really nice. It was heated. We had no problems finding a chair in the afternoon, and the hot tub back there, nice and warm, and very, very relaxing. There was a couple times that they didn't have any towels, so I went to the front desk. They were super friendly, and they had towels back in the bin in about less than 10 minutes. Super nice, super fast service. Highly recommend this resort if you're going to go on a cruise. They had a nice fire pit here. I seen people there just socializing, having a little drink, and sitting by the fire at night. It was a great place to meet up. They had a fun little basketball court, and that got busy in the afternoon, but looked like a lot of fun. I was shocked to see a charging station for your electrical vehicle in the back, but that's pretty cool. You can come here and charge your EV. So if you're renting a car from Hertz and you're staying at the Residence Inn or the Country Inn and Suites, the rental car return is right here, or pickup, and they have a shuttle right to the port. So how convenient is that? So I guess if you're staying at Country Inn or Residence Inn, and I would say rent from Hertz. It doesn't hurt. They had a nice exercise room with your basic treadmill and bike and weights. I prefer to run outside, so they had sidewalks that go all the way to the porch. So it was really nice, safe to just run outside and get some Florida fresh air. If you do need to do laundry after that hard workout in the fitness room, they do have a laundry room up on floor 4, has 2 washers, 2 dryers. We had a very nice 1-bedroom room with a pull-out couch, sofa bed. Brooklyn said it was comfortable. It has a dishwasher. We didn't do any dishes, but it has plates, forks, has a little coffee machine, even coffee to put in the coffee machine. But we just got coffee down in the lobby. That was good. They had a nice refrigerator. It fit our couple water bottles and some leftovers. Pretty nice in that big, huge refrigerator. The bedroom was very nice. The mattresses were comfortable. The pillows I liked. The bathroom was spacious. Plenty of room to do my hair, because I got tons of hair. Toilet standard in every room. They had really nice shampoo and conditioner. It's 39 degrees, the brand. Thank goodness it wasn't 39 degrees because that would have been pretty cool. So then the view from our window and that little red truck way in the back, that's our jacked up rental truck. You'll see that in a later video. So if you like this video, like and subscribe and buy some merch. Wait, I don't have any merch to buy, but thanks again for watching.